In this video, we'll take a look at packing and shipping orders. When I navigate to the order screen, you can see that I currently have 9 orders awaiting packing. These orders have all been picked and are marked as complete. By clicking on an order, you can see that all the items are displayed in green, confirming that everything has been successfully picked. This particular order needs to be sent to Germany. To initiate the packing process, I'll click on the pack icon, located at the top of the screen. This action will present me with the available shipping carriers that I have connected to Bricqer. In this example, the customer has opted for a leather standard as their shipping method. By selecting this option, Bricqer displays the cost of €2.95, representing the most economical shipping method for this order. If desired, I have the flexibility to change the shipping method. I can also modify the automatic feedback that will be posted to the customer in this screen. Now that I have selected the appropriate shipping method, I can click Next to ship the order with PostNL. After confirmation, Bricqer automatically posts the feedback I selected earlier. An email will also be sent out to my customer, informing them that their order has been shipped. If there is a track and trace code associated with this order, it'll also be noted in the email. Lastly, the shipping label is automatically generated and printed. The customer will be notified that the package has been shipped and the entire order is now finished. With this order now complete, I can proceed to the next one.